How I fixed a backyard drainage problem that was destroying my yard. DIY downspout drainage project.
Water pooling around your home's foundation isn't just ugly, it can eventually become an expensive problem. In this project, I'll show you exactly how I redirected water away from my house by installing an underground downspout drainage pipe. Hello, my name is Ken Conley, owner of Conley's Home Improvement and a home improvement do-it-yourselfer. I'll walk you through every step. I'll explain why I made certain decisions and show you the dramatic before and after transformation. Every time it rained, water collected in this area of my yard, causing erosion and keeping this area constantly wet. Before digging anything, I planned the route for the pipe. The goal was to create enough slope so gravity would naturally carry the water away. Proper planning helps avoid unnecessary digging and ensures the drainage system works for years. Taking your time here is key. Next came the hardest part, digging the trench. I dug deep enough to maintain a gradual slope while protecting the pipe. Taking your time during this step makes the installation much easier later on. It's about patience and planning. I connected the downspout to a black corrugated drain pipe. It's flexible, easy to install, and perfect for residential projects. Before covering everything with soil, I checked every connection to make sure water would flow freely away from the house. Once everything was working properly, I carefully backfilled the trench. Compacting in layers prevents future settling. After the repair, I restored the lawn and installed fresh mulch and shrubs to completely transform this corner of the yard. Not only does the system protect the foundation, but it dramatically improved the appearance of the entire backyard. I hope this project has shown you that fixing a backyard drainage problem doesn't have to be complicated. With a little planning, the right tools, and some hard work, you can protect your home's foundation while improving the look of your yard at the same time. If you'd like even more details, step-by-step photos, a complete materials list, and additional DIY tips that I couldn't fit into this video, be sure to visit my website. I'll leave a link to the full blog post in the description below. If you found this project helpful, I'd really appreciate your support. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your questions or comments below. I enjoy hearing from you, and share this video with anyone who's dealing with backyard drainage problems or water collecting around their home. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my weekly DIY home improvement projects, practical tips, and money-saving tutorials based on over 40 years of hands-on experience. Thank you for supporting Conley's Home Improvement. I'm excited to continue helping you build, repair, improve, and transform your home, one DIY project at a time. I'll see you in the next video.
Conley's Home Improvement. Making your home look good one project at a time. How I fixed a backyard drainage problem that was destroying my yard. DIY downspout drainage project. Follow at Conleys-Home Improvement. Thanks for subscribing and following.